Okay.
The king used to be here.
No, not live here. The king lives in the outside the river.
Temple is
For
For the
praying.
praying.
Yeah.
So, these are all covered before.
Before
Has
cover.
roof.
Yeah, have roof from here to super. Have roof like that.
Ah,
But
okay.
now below.
That is right. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, but the statue, can you see?
Yes.
The convert statue. They originally like that.
Oh, yeah.
The Buddha meditation like but
Now they converted to Hindu.
change to Apsara or like this change to Hindu. Meditation look like Hindu.
Ah,
Like
yeah.
that Hindu. Like this Buddha.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, you learn something new every day. So you're Hindu or Buddhist?
Now Cambodia is Buddhist.
Buddhist.
Yeah. But I had the last century, last of 5th century,
Uh-huh.
the Khmer Empire,
Mm-hmm.
the Buddhist,
Mm-hmm.
Mahayana.
Mahayana.
But now the Buddhist, Theravada.
Karabada.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Alright.
You can see a lot of holes.
Yes. For decoration.
Yeah. This is the gemstone.
Gemstones.
Jewelry for decoration around,
The temple.
around this stupa.
Mm.
Because the stupa indicate to the king father.
Alright.
Father of King Jaya. And here we call Eco room. Around the small room.
Iburu.
Eco room.
Eco room.
Stand back to closer to more.
And then you do echo room. That's
Echo room.
here you go.
Oh,
And
yeah.
you do this.
Oh, yeah.
You have to stand behind the wall.
Oh. Echo room. Oh, there. Oh. Okay. Echo room.